Good morning everyone and happy day 4 of Vlogmas. Very colorful today. It is a Sunday. We obviously went to the Texas game yesterday and the Mavericks game. That was so fun. But now it is a Sunday. We got back super late, so we watched church on TV and I am getting ready to go to a baby shower. This weekend has been very, very busy. I'm kind of looking forward to just having tonight off and just cleaning and all the things. Again, if you are new here, my name is Jeanine. My husband's name is Caleb. We are 3 weeks married as of today, which is crazy. 3 weeks in it. So y'all are really getting to witness the true newlywed life. All right, I am at Target. I am looking for a baby gift for Sarah. And I need to get a gift bag. So let's see what we can find. Cute. Oh my gosh, if I had a daughter, she would look so cute in this. Okay, here we go. So she's having a boy, and I know she wanted some like little booties and hats and stuff. These are all so cute. Oh. Okay, I got this cute baby boy bag, a little binky, 3 hats actually. So cute. Socks, how cute. All right, I'm walking up. Here's the outfit I'm wearing today. I thought it was gonna be cold today, but it's actually like 70 degrees. It's perfect today. Look how cute. Wow, so pretty. Okay, look how amazing this charcuterie board, the food, the decor, the flower. I'm like so blown away. It's stunning. Hi lovely ladies, how are we today? Doing good. For some reason I thought this was a gender reveal party. It's totally not. Wait, you thought this was for like 1 second I was about to be like, do you think it's a boy or a girl? And I'm like, well obviously. So fun. I love that one. All the moms, everyone's like, oh, every 2 seconds. I left the baby shower. We are now at Target and we're about to do a gingerbread house.
We're gonna do a competition, me versus her. Honestly, we should make you have like less time than me.
What?
Because I feel like you're gonna destroy me. You're
honestly,
way
I'm
more artistic.
Really not, okay, artistic, but I'm not good at building things.
Okay.
So
I think I have a chance.
See.
So you guys will comment to see who wins, and then we'll have like some type of punishment or bet. So let's do this. It is Christmas.
Christmas time.
In the city.
Also, these are so cute. Look at that.
This is Monica.
Hi, this is Monica. She watches Vlogmas. So we had to get her in the vlog.
What's your favorite Christmas movie?
Oh, it has to be The Grinch.
The Grinch. Really? She hates The Grinch.
That's my least favorite. I'm so sorry to crush your dreams.
It's my favorite. I love Christmas.
So do I. wish it was longer.
It's like, I'm like getting sad. I'm like, I don't
I know, I feel like it's over. I'm like,
I don't know when it to end.
Yeah.
So we just found out Texas is in the college football playoff.
Insane.
So we're thinking about maybe going to New Orleans.
In New Orleans for New Year's Eve with like a big group of friends again. The group that we went with to the game, this past game. So that's gonna be so fun.
This is your year. You're getting married. You got married, and
so
Texas is making the football playoff.
Who knew 2023 would be the best year ever?
And you look good. Look how good you look.
Thanks, baby.
Now we're gonna shop for. We're gonna shop for our kid. We're gonna have soon.
No.
Yeah. We need some diapers, babe. How about these?
There. I just went to a baby shower. That's for
Let's
sure.
go. Let's have a baby.
No.
No baby? Hey, babe.
Yeah.
Please.
No.
Soon, guys.
Look, honestly, at the baby shower, I started crying. I was like, I want a baby. And everyone was like, did you just say that? And then I was like, did I say that? But I mean, I'd be down.
Maybe soon.
Just not yet.
Alrighty.
It is time for chili. I found this one recipe online. I'll post it down below. It is literally the easiest recipe. I have it down to a science now. Absolutely love this recipe. And these are the things. And we've become chili people, especially in the winter time.
Yeah.
So where'd the onion go? So this is everything you'll need, but it's like really easy to do, and it doesn't even like take that long. So
amazing.
Let's make some chili.
What's been your favorite part of being married during the holidays?
I mean, sorry, I'm so sniffly. What's not to love? Like, it's so fun doing everything with you, like getting to cook in gingerbread houses, and like, we haven't even fully done everything yet.
Yeah.
I think going to Alaska with my family with you is gonna be so fun. I think everything.
It's been so fun.
Just being home with you is so fun. I really
Yeah.
love it. Okay, what would you say back to that answer?
I think, I don't know, the Christmas is just so nostalgic for me as a kid, and it just feels like I'm getting to relive a lot of these traditions now that I'm married, because I was only single during the holidays before I met you, and so having somebody to like do these things with is just like so awesome.
Oh,
Yeah.
I love that.
Made it all by myself.
Oh yeah. That was the worst sound I've ever heard in my life.
This reminds me of like every like TV show had like a school.
Oh yeah, and they're serving the kid like the stale, like
Porridge.
oatmeal or yeah, whatever.
It's like that annoying.
Please, sir, can I have some more?
To get pizza? No, you're getting chili.
You're spilling.
Okay. All right, my girl made us some chili, and then now we're watching a Jingle All the Way
Have you seen this movie before?
Christmas movie. I don't think
I
so.
love it's so good.
I don't think I've seen
It's
this.
an oldies and I love it.
It's so sick.
I gotta make it all cute.
All right, may the best gingerbread house win. Are you ready?
I think so.
You excited?
Yeah.
You think you're gonna win?
Yes. Yo, he's trying to get witty with it. I got my little foundation built already. I'm letting it dry. And he is, what are you doing, babe?
I'm doing something. I'm looking for more of a modern build.
You're doing so good. Also, he's wearing my pajama pants. Caleb's house broke.
I hate my.
I'm sorry, Bob.
I'm gonna build a different type of house.
Well, you're gonna have to get a little creative. Oh no. Bob. Oh no, now we can't really do it.
I'm pissed off.
Here's how mine is looking so far. I'm pretty glad with it.
You're so annoying. I knew this was gonna happen.
Baby, we're just having fun. It appears that I've already won. Is that correct?
Yeah, look at mine over there.
Look, his house was not built on the foundation of Christ. His was built on quicksand.
Yours looks good, you know.
I'm not done yet. I'm adding all the finishing touches.
Seen better. Nice work.
Thank you. I'm not done.
Mine, tornado hit it. I'm in trouble. So that's what we got so far. And this is what Jeanine has. Nice
I'm
work.
working on it. It's hard to get this icing like clear looking.
Good job.
Trying to get this to stay. It won't stay, so I'm using my tricks. I put a clip there to have it stay. That's the
Nice.
front.
Good job.
Thanks, Bev. All right, Caleb is trying to make a comeback right now.
Could be making a comeback. I got a little more.
He got pretty creative.
From the other angle, I think. From just a
Looks like you're building a snowy church.
dope.
Good job.
I mean, from where we started to where we're at, like, I don't know, man.
I'm pretty proud of you, babe. I thought this was a lost cause. You just don't want to see the house from the back. But this looks pretty cool. This is such a process. You're scaring me. He's transporting his entire home. Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Grab me the structure.
This? This is what was, oh no. This? We're performing surgery on this house. For sure that was right. Okay.
They were.
His renovations. You might have a really good chance of actually winning, babe.
This will be the biggest comeback.
It literally is. I mean, it looks like you built a church, which is really cool. Okay, these are the houses so far on Instagram. Caleb said I'm winning.
Yeah, you're crushing me.
I'm sorry, babe. I'm honestly really impressed with yours though. Like, I really did not know where this was going. So here's my final house. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Spent a lot of time on it. And this is Caleb's. He made like a church. I don't want to turn his because it's very fragile. All the marshmallows. He's kind of got a little mohawk thing going on. It's kind of cool. And this is this other side of mine. There's the back. And I'm pretty happy with it. Which one do you guys like? Let us know down below which one you guys like. Okay, we finished making our gingerbread houses. Today was fun.
It was fun.
We spent like 3 hours making those. It's actually 11 p.m. now. 11:15.
I genuinely think I won. Like,
I don't think the polls say that. What did the polls say? Okay, go follow our Jeanine and Caleb account because we post on here a lot. So far, 80% me, 20% you. Sorry, but
I feel like they knew which one was which easily.
I mean, typically a guy's house looks like that. They're so cute though, babe. I think we're both winners.
No, there's one winner, one loser, and I'm the loser.
Oh, that makes me sad.
No, you can't ever let me win.
I mean, the people voted.
It's good. I'm glad you're happy.
Thanks. Love you.
And that is it for Vlogmas Day 4. This is nuts. This is like a
This is a marathon.
this is a marathon, you know.
And we're only on like 0.5 of the mile. No, this is so fun.
This was the best day yet.
We had a blast. I love doing Christmassy things, and it was his idea, and I'm really glad you said that. That was fun.
It'll be exciting.
Thank you guys for watching. All I ever wanted.
That's all we ever wanted. If you don't know about my wife's podcast, go watch my wife's podcast. It's amazing.
Happy and healthy.
Next time,
we will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out, Girl Scout. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thanks.